are lots of engines on the island of Sodor. Big engines, little engines, and very hard-working engines. And I can't wait to introduce you to each and every one of them. Dun 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 dun. Today, I'd like to introduce you to my brothers, as Dom and Lucis. Dom and Lucis are my two others who are like best friends to one another. Dom is my big brother who does all he can to be really useful. You know me, not giving up on what jobs I'm given to do. He would often just stand truck in the yard, but he does that because he's really useful. He loves doing deliveries and thinks that makes him very special. But as he doesn't do much, because when he has time off, he is having fun with Lucia. Woohoo! Let's play again. Lucius is my little brother. Unlike me, Rachel and Dom, Lucius is painted green. He is the number 70. And works really hard. He wants to do all he can, and as the new member on my franchise, he tries his best not to let me down. I've got the trucks, just like you said, never late. But we'll always have fun with his good brother and friend. I'm always happy to have time with you, Dom. Dun, 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 dun. Join me again soon, and I'll be introducing you to another friend here on Sodor. Dun, 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 dun.